This thing. Alright, guys. But that was hella easy. It wasn't even close. Alright, guys. Let's see what we got in here. Look at that. Damn! Kind of full of things. Alright, so first of all, we got... Let's start off with this. Let's see what this is. The fuck is this? I don't know what this is, guys, but we got this. Okay. There's one. Now. Bro, we got a magic eraser. And then... Oh, we got a light. Look at that. We got a light, guys. And then... Bro, you guys want to go paint a house? Look.
What did he say?
Paint your freaking paintbrush. Alright, guys, so we got... What the heck? We got this thing. And then... We got a little W40. And then what else? Hey, we got a mug. I think it's a mug. I think there's a mug, guys. It feels like a mug. I think it is. I'll open it right now. Yo! Guys! No way! Hold on. Is this what I think it is? Alright, let's check. Wait, hold on. There's one more thing. What is this? Oh, look, I got a 20% off. Okay, let's see what this is. Let's see what this is, guys. Hold on. Let's open it. Black Friday application giveaway. Okay. Look at that. Black Friday application giveaway. Can you see? Okay, it has a little... Let's see what this is. I got it open. What is it? Thank you for being a member. Bro, 20% off. Wow.
Got him! Got him!
I was so excited. That's it? Yeah, that's it. Well, that's all we got, guys.